Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Jamaica Stock Exchange has announced the appointment of Mr. Livingstone Morrison, OD, as the new Chief Executive Officer of the company effective September 8, 2025. Mr. Morrison succeeds Dr. Marlene Street Forrest CD, Managing Director of the JSE, who will retire and demit office on September 30, 2025 after more than 2 decades of exceptional and transformational leadership. The JSE takes this opportunity to congratulate Mr. Morrison on his appointment and to express its sincerest gratitude to Dr. Street Forrest for her invaluable service to the company and the nation. Investors can look forward to passive income from dividends on companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited has declared a dividend of 89 cents per stock unit, payable on October 16, 2025, to stockholders on record as at September 19, 2025. The ex-dividend date is September 19, 2025. Scotia Group Jamaica Limited has declared a third interim dividend of 45 cents per stock unit, payable on October 17, 2025, to stockholders on record as at September 25, 2025. The ex-dividend date is September 25, 2025. For the trading period ending September 8, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 5,908,919 units traded, representing 32.72% of market sales volume. Real estate and advertising firm Kintyre Holdings JA Limited with 1,969,991 units traded, representing 10.91% of market sales volume. Media conglomerate Radio Jamaica Limited with 1,431,081 units traded, representing 7.92% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On September 8, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $42.53 million purchased and US $42.14 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.92 per dollar, selling the US at $161.11 and buying the US at $159.19. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.09 per transaction, with selling at $116.71 and buying at $115.62. The British pound yielded Forex traders $3.15 in profits, selling at $216.27 and buying at $213.12. For our credit report tip of the day, did you know that your credit report is the foundation of your financial story? When you use it to build a balanced credit portfolio, covering credit cards, personal loans, auto loans, and mortgages, you give lenders confidence in your ability to manage money and open the door to better financial deals. A credit portfolio, a mix of credit cards, loans, auto loans, mortgages, gives key advantages. It boosts your credit score with on-time payments and responsible use, unlocks better rates and higher credit limits, and provides financial flexibility for large purchases or emergencies. And it also demonstrates stability to lenders, increasing approval odds. So it creates leverage opportunities for investment, real estate, or business growth. A strong credit portfolio isn't just about borrowing, it's about strategically positioning yourself for financial opportunity. Now, when you're building something from nothing as a professional woman, by the time we reach our mid-40s and beyond, money carries more weight than just simple numbers on a page. It's not just about paying bills or balancing accounts. It's about the way money stirs emotions in our body. Debt can tighten your chest. Savings may bring both pride and pressure. Investments can spark hope one day and worry the next, while assets and family expectation often bring mixed layers of responsibility. These sensations are real and they shape how we make decisions, how we sleep at night, and how we see our future. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.